So our third question is, if the square matrix such that a square equals to a, this is given, a square equals to a, then write the value of 7a minus identity matrix plus a in a whole cube, where I is an identity matrix. So let's jump into the answer. So this is given, a square is equals to a square matrix is equals to a matrix, and this is also given 7a minus bracket में 1 plus a का cube. So we can write this as 7a minus bracket में 1 identity matrix plus a matrix का whole square into 1 plus a. We just simply separate this, and we can write this equals to 7a matrix minus में bracket में identity matrix into identity matrix plus में a matrix into में a matrix plus 2a matrix into identity matrix. We just simply solve open the bracket, and this is and into my identity matrix plus my a matrix. And so we so after that we can write this 7a matrix minus 1 identity matrix. Identity matrix into identity matrix will be identity matrix. We simply just take that a square, a in matrix into a matrix will be a matrix square plus में 2a matrix identity plus a matrix. So we can write this equation as 7a matrix minus में identity matrix plus में a. We just simply put the value of this, a square is equals to 1, a square is equals to a. So we just simply put that. As we know, if we multiply any matrix with identity matrix, it's the same matrix. So we just simply put this and identity matrix plus में a matrix. 7a matrix minus में identity matrix plus में 3a matrix. We just simply add that, and this is the same. 7a matrix minus में identity matrix. We just simply open the brackets. From that we get identity into ia plus में 3ai plus में 3a square. So we simply just solve the equation 7a minus में identity into identity is equals to identity, as we know, and identity with another matrix will be another matrix plus में 3a plus में 3a, as we simply put the value of this a square is equals to a. So we get 7a minus में bracket में identity plus में 7a matrix. So we just simply open the matrix and we get the minus identity matrix. So here we have the value of this equation. Thank you.